to the 7th campus of AI Language Center Siem campus. The campus was established in July 17, 2022. This is the administrative office where you can make ID cards, change your personal information, and I'm one of the students who applied to America with SOGO. I came here to get my transcript. Do you want to know about our program, product, and services at AI Language Center Siem campus? I will take you to the information office that is located in the lobby floor. The testing room is the place that you take your placement test and check for your level. After taking your placement test, you're gonna come here to the interview room and getting discussed about your school policy and your level. Good afternoon, teacher.
Thank you.
If you're ready to be part of the AI Language Center, you can visit the booster office. They will guide you through the entire process of making your payment. The Intercon Bookstore aim is to provide the highest standard at customer service to students, staff, faculty, and the general public by offering trendy, relevant merchandise at competitive prices. Is important, which is why AI has the MJQ Student Health Center, which dedicated to provide medical care for students and staff by treating health problems, promoting wellness, and preventing diseases. This is the best place to get your coffee and drink because your drink will be prepared by a professional barista. The Student Affairs Office is where students concern are addressed. They offer services such as providing student permission form when they are absent, as well as guidance with AI program and events. The SOGO office can provide you with more information on how and where to go about to further your education. They help students identify the best course and institution for them, choose and prepare the best course of action, and they will guide you through the entire process. Have you been to Smart Mart? Yes, and I really like it because it's a convenient way to buy food and supplies, and because it's located on campus, I can save time. Follow us to the 2nd floor. The MJQ Library is a hub of knowledge and learning. It is a place where our students are encouraged to be a thinker and a reader. Our library provides a warm environment in which they can feel empowered and connected. In addition, at the MJQ Library, there's an e-classroom that is intended for ICT integration, allowing students to practice and improve their digital skills. Where are we now? This is the academic office. It is so welcoming here because of its open concept which allows for more opportunities for collaboration and communication. Follow me to the 3rd floor. That's right, there's also an indoor playground to ensure that the students have a good time. For the classroom, it is located on the 3rd, 4th, and the 5th floor.
are two lounge areas on this floor, the student lounge and the staff lounge. It is a wonderful place to unwind and relax. I hope that you enjoyed the tour with us. See you. Goodbye.
AII, the window to the world.